Lightning is an amazing natural phenomenon that is still poorly studied. Today we will tell you many interesting facts about lightning. Lightning is a natural discharge where different areas of the atmosphere equalize in charge. This causes insane quick energy known as lightning, which can be extremely dangerous. Thunder follows lightning. Thunder is created from a shockwave in lightning. During a storm, colliding particles of rain, ice, or snow inside storm clouds increase the imbalance between storm clouds and the ground, and often negatively charge the lower reaches of storm clouds. Objects on the ground, like steeples, trees, and the earth itself, become positively charged, creating an imbalance between them, leading to the lightning discharge. Lightning is considerably hotter than the surface of the sun. The temperature of a lightning bolt can exceed 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly 5 times hotter than the sun. The energy contained in a single lightning discharge can power a 100-watt light bulb for 90 days. Lightning travels at the speed of light, about 186,000 miles per second. This means that you see lightning pretty much when it happens. The intense heat of the lightning generates thunder, which is transmitted through the air at the speed of sound. Because the speed of sound is so much slower than the speed of light, we always see the flash before we hear the thunder. Lightning is a significant weather hazard and occurs at an average rate of 50 to 100 discharges per second worldwide. The biggest threat lightning poses to a structure is fire. Wood and other flammable construction materials can easily explode when exposed to the high temperature of a lightning strike. A lightning strike can cause significant structural damage to a building. It can lead damage to machinery and equipment, both inside and outside the building, and may result in harm to people. When lightning is likely to occur, people are advised to stay indoors or in a car, away from open doors and windows, and to avoid contact with any electrical appliances or plumbing that might be exposed to the outside environment. Cloud-to-ground lightning is a lightning discharge between a thundercloud and the ground. It can be either positive or negative. Most cloud-to-ground lightning is negative, meaning that a negative charge is transferred to ground and electrons travel downward along the lightning channel. Cloud-to-ground lightning bolts are the most common. About 100 strike Earth's surface every single second. Each bolt can contain up to 1 billion volts of electricity. Ground-to-cloud lightning is a discharge between cloud and ground started by an upward-moving leader originating from an object on the ground. Ground-to-cloud lightning strikes, sometimes called upward-moving lightning, are common on tall towers and skyscrapers. Upward lightning occurs because of extreme electric fields concentrated at the top of a building, usually during an overhead in cloud lightning discharge. Ground-to-cloud lightning can also be either positive or negative in polarity. About 3/4 of all lightning on Earth never leaves the cloud where it formed. These strikes are known as intracloud lightning. Lightning also sometimes leaves the cloud but stays in the sky, a phenomenon that can take many forms. It might jump to another cloud, or it might simply strike the air around the storm if enough charge has built up nearby. A bolt from the blue is a flash of lightning that strikes from a thunderstorm from cloud to ground, miles away from the parent or original storm. They typically come from the backside of the cloud with an electric charge capable of traveling a very large distance away through clear, blue skies. Ball lightning is an unexplained phenomenon described as a floating, luminescent sphere that happens during thunderstorms. It may move quick, slow, or stay stationary. It may be quiet or produce crackling noise. It may go through windows, last from seconds to minutes, and disappear slowly or suddenly. No photos have ever been gotten of ball lightning, nor has any logical scientific explanation been found for it to happen. Therefore, its existence remains questionable and is currently given the same scientific credibility as UFOs. Furthermore, many ball lightning reports have been found to be nothing more than electrical cable bend and other unrelated events. Red sprites, blue jets and elves are upper atmospheric optical phenomena associated with thunderstorms that have only recently been documented by using low light level television technology. These phenomena are collectively called transient luminous events, TLEs. As observations continue, scientists are collecting a confusing menagerie of phenomena. Sprites are large-scale electrical discharges that occur high in the atmosphere at about 50–90 kilometers above large thunderstorm systems. They appear as a large, but weak flash, usually of red color. Sprites last no more than a few seconds. Sprites' shapes have been compared to columns, carrots and jellyfish. They are rarely seen with the human eye and only at night above distant, large thunderstorms. Blue jets are beams of blue energy that blast out of a thunderstorm's top into the surrounding sky. As the shining blue and white streaks rise up out of a cloud, they extend vertically in narrow cones. Blue jets last only a little part of a second but have been seen by pilots and even caught on video.